This is a brief video working through the first practice example in the dependent sample unit for k-means. Here I've gone ahead and entered the data in, and what we have here is we have rats that have received different drugs on different days, hopefully in a random series or random order, and we've collapsed the data across the various conditions here. To do a dependent sample ANOVA, I'm going to select the data analysis and then the two-factor without replication. I'm going to select my data range, make sure I have my labels selected, and I'm going to put my output right over here. And here are the results of that analysis, my ANOVA two-factor without replication. Well, again, we're tricking Excel into doing a dependent sample ANOVA for us, and what we're going to look at is the columns factor, not the rows. And so as you can see here, if we look at our F and then our p-value, and here I'm going to change the format of the number because it's in scientific notation. At a few decimal places you can see that this is a very, 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 very small probability of our results if the null hypothesis were true. So we would reject the null hypothesis that the drugs were of the same condition. Now, the columns is equal to between. What is rows? Well, rows tells us that rat 1 was different than rat 2, was different than rat 3, was different than rat 4. And we already know that. And this analysis, this F, tells us that fact.